Good afternoon.
You made me proud.
Good afternoon. I'm not sure we're as safe as we should be, but I'm so excited to see such a crowd today. So if you could move in a little bit so that we can get our program started, and then we'll move forward with our ribbon cutting, tours, and answer everybody's great questions. Wow, I got quiet all of a sudden. Okay. Well, first of all, I'd like to introduce myself. I forget that all the time. I'm Christine Noguera, and I'm the CEO with Community Medical Centers, and I couldn't be more excited than I am right now to see this incredible turnout to this event. Thank you all so much for coming to our ribbon cutting ceremony for the CMC Respite Center. The building you see here in front of you and the services that you're going to hear about as you take your tours are the work of many hours of listening, learning, and planning by the staff who've worked so very hard to make the vision of a respite center with no wrong door for entry into treatment a reality. I'm going to start with some basic facts on community medical centers. Many of you, obviously that's why you're here, have an understanding or you know a piece of who we are and what we do. But perhaps you're not really aware of the full scope and the size of our organization. So I always take advantage of these little moments to do a little bragging. Did you know that in 2021, CMC provided comprehensive medical, behavioral health, dental, and specialty care to over 107,000 individual patients. That's a big number, guys. Did you know that CMC has 13 health centers just in the city of Stockton? Did you know that CMC has 950 employees? Wow. Woohoo! Did you know that our current CMC budget is over $101 million? We are truly a critical provider of integrated healthcare services across San Joaquin County, and we're proud to be here today in this event recognizing the recent developments. Over the last 8 years, in response to the growing community awareness of the need for community-based integrated SUD services, CMC has steadily developed an ever more comprehensive program in response to identified behavioral health needs and gaps in care. The Respite Center is the latest component of our CMC behavioral health and substance use disorder treatment services. Like so much of what we do at community medical centers, our Respite Center has been a collaborative process. We know that working with community partners, our programs will be more successful and more likely to address an unmet need. External collaboration includes, for this center, funding from San Joaquin County Behavioral Health Services, Prop 47, and San Joaquin County Continuum of Care. In support of collaboration, I definitely want to acknowledge our partners and supporters who are here today. I know I'm going to miss someone because this is such a crowd that we didn't quite expect, but I'm going to do my best, and let's go for it. Well, first of all, I would like to acknowledge our Mayor, Kevin Lincoln. Thank you for joining us today. County Supervisor, Kathy Miller. Mel DePila was here, I believe. Right there. Great. County Supervisor Robert Rickman. Yep. Very good. Thank you. And I definitely want to give a warm welcome to our new Stockton Police Chief, Stanley McFadden. Thank you. Oh, and Supervisor Joaquin, thank you so much. Chuck is always there for us, and we really do appreciate it. Who else am I missing?
Councilmember Wormsley.
Oh, and Councilman, oh, thank you. Good, thank you. Fred Shield, Art Flores from Stand Affordable Housing, great partners for us. Jose Rodriguez with El Concilio. Adam Cheshire, are you here from the Continuum of Care? New Directions. David Madura, incoming CEO, and Britton Kimball from Gospel Center Rescue Mission. Now, any other shout outs? Because
Carlos Villapuda's office, Stephen's here.
good. Right. Carlos Villapuda's office. Thank you so much.
Senator Susan Talamantes Evans and that like all
yes. Thank you. The other shout outs. Well, this is impressive. Thank you so much. Our CMC expansion of behavioral health and SUD services would not have been possible without the commitment and support of our own CMC Board of Directors. Today, joining us on our board, Robert Smith, here, Peter Ragsdale, Martha Robles. Did I miss anybody else of my board members?
Jamie Guerrero.
Is Jamie here?
Yeah.
Oh, good. Jamie Guerrero. Our board members, like board members of all nonprofits, are volunteers, and they give freely of their time, their knowledge, and their advocacy. And we as an organization could not do anything of what we do without their support. Thank you. I would also like to call out the CMC team who have worked hours and hours over a number of years to make today and the actual opening of our Respite Center possible. Alfonso Apu. Alfonso, did you arrive? And Leigh McMiller. I see Leigh. Alfonso is our Chief Behavioral Health Officer. Leigh is our Associate Director of SUD Services. Without a doubt, today would not have been possible without these two amazing leaders. Their leadership, commitment, and perseverance deserves a great big hand. Also, today, special thanks to our center managers, Anita Udrogo and Daniel Chavez, for their leadership and hard work. And I want to give a special shout out. This is it's been a difficult time for community medical centers, and I think for all of us as far as workforce. We're struggling to find the right people, we're struggling to keep the right people, and to keep our services going. So in this time of workforce challenge, I also want to acknowledge and thank the great SUD team who have survived a pandemic and provided needed services through this challenging time. Case managers Jessica John and Claudia Castillo, our SUD counselor lead Ronnie Gallardo, our MA lead Vanessa Rivera, LCSW Angie Ibarra Rojas, Patient Services Navigator Hazel Portillo. Thank you all. And last, but certainly not least, all of the great CMC ex-waiver medical providers and our CMO, MAT champion, Dr. Benjamin Morrison. Ben, are you here yet? He will be here. He was actually seeing a patient. We know that it all takes a village to raise a child. It's a great saying. But likewise, it takes dedicated team members working together to make a difference. So thank you today, our CMC team, our CMC friends and partners for coming and joining in this excitement. With that, I would like to turn the show over to our valued Chamber of Commerce partners for the long-awaited ribbon cutting.
All right, before we make it official, we got some special presentations here today. First up, we have Senator Susan Telemontes Eggman's office. Come on up, Zanen.
Thank you, Tim. Hello, everyone. So happy to be here. Senator Eggman's up in Sacramento doing what she does in session, taking care of a lot of bills, including a lot of mental health bills that we all know that are necessary. But she also wanted to congratulate the grand opening of the Community Medical Center, Respite Center. This is a phenomenal location. It has its purpose. It's going to do some wonderful things in the community. So we want to take a moment to present the certificate from the state of California. And it's the grand opening of this medical respite facility, providing essential services to the most vulnerable in our community. And your dedication in ensuring every person who walks through these doors receives the very best care. So we want to present this to you, and thank you to the board members and everyone involved in this grand opening. Today, the 16th day of June, 2022, signed by Senator Susan Telemontes Eggman, your California Senator of District 5. Congratulations. Much success.
You know, you're gonna have to use a limbo today, right? All right, up next we have a presentation from Assemblymember Carlos Villaputua's office.
Thank you. So on behalf of the California State Assembly and Assemblymember Carlos Villaputua, we congratulate the grand opening of the Community Medical Center. As longtime Stocktonian, we know the needs of this community, and we needed this, so congratulations.
Up next is the San Joaquin County Board of Supervisors.
Good afternoon. What a great turnout. I'd like to hand the mic off to our chairman of the board, Supervisor Joaquin.
Thank you, Miguel. I want to thank Christina for this facility and certainly staff and all those who have been involved. I think most importantly, this is a population that is probably most in need, and very few places offer this type of care. So again, congratulations on this. We look forward to not just this facility, but other facilities to grow in the future. So thank you very much.
Well, just want to say, CMC, congratulations on this beautiful building, and I want to thank your staff and everyone, what you guys do for the people in our community. This is truly a blessing, and congratulations. And we have a certificate on behalf of the Board of Supervisors I'd like to present to you. We can get a picture.
All right, the last but certainly not least, the City of Stockton. Come on up.
We almost have the full council making their way up. So just bear with us for a moment, please. Chief, you want to join us up here as well? Yeah, please, come on. Our new chief. Your chief, that's right. That's right. And I can't put Christine in the back. Come up here, please. Yeah, absolutely. Christine, we just wanted to say congratulations and to you and the entire CMC family. We appreciate your vision, the vision of the board as well. Appreciate the investment that the CLC, the County Board of Supervisors, has made in this facility. Just a moment ago, I was speaking with one of your team members, Anita, and I asked her, I said, what does this mean to you? And she said, this means a few things. The beginning of something new, caring for the most critical needs of our community, but most importantly, bringing unity throughout our community. And so it's an honor to be here with you. It's an honor to be one of the many partners of CMC. We look forward to continued growth, continued expansion, but most importantly, continuing to make a visible difference and impact throughout the city of Stockton and San Joaquin County. So again, congratulations. We do have a certificate that we'd like to present to you as well, and I'll have Vice Mayor Fugazi read it and present it.
The certificate of recognition is hereby presented to Community Medical Center's Respite Center in honor of your grand opening and ribbon cutting ceremony. Congratulations and sincerely thank you for your investing in our community. Best wishes on your continued success. And I know that there's more projects in the pipeline, so just let us know how we can help. Presented on behalf of Stockton City Council on the 16th day of June 2022.
All right. Well, thank you all again for being here. Thank you to the dignitaries for those fantastic presentations. Can't echo what they've said enough. This is an amazing facility. It's going to do a lot of great things for Stockton. So thank you to the community medical centers on behalf of the Stockton Chamber of Commerce Board, staff, and our members for all you do for our community and those in need. So we really appreciate it. All right, with that, we'll make this official and cut the ribbon. So I think we're going to cut it up here. We'll have Mayor Lincoln cut it along with the board members from the community medical centers that are in attendance.
Right here, Martha. They're heavy. You want to turn around? Bring them down when you cut. Turn around. Short.
Hold the hand.
We're going to face this way. They will pull the ribbon tight for you.
Where's the board member?
How are you? Good. How are you? No, you got the scissors. I think it's
We will take a picture first.
So we might have to scoot up.
Some of the staff.
The board members, just the board members. We need the board members.
all right. You go. Come on, Bob.
Come on.
Let's go.
Come on, guys.
All right, here we go. How's this?
Wait for a minute. Mayor. Wait, don't cut it yet. We need a picture.
We got it. Teamwork makes the dream work.
Okay, picture first. Let us know when you all have your pictures.
I'm not blocking anybody back here, am I?
You're good. You wouldn't know. Okay, everybody ready? Ready? 1, 2, 3, cut.
You're gonna have to count again.
1, 2, 3, cut.
Inside, and they're going to give tours of the building. So,
All right, so there's going to be tours of the building?
yes. Stick around for tours. They're going to give tours and there's actually food inside as well.
Respite Center.